Hi, I'm Ryan Martino, one half of the driving force behind Martino Motorsports. One of the coldest days in the year, and we came to a place where it's always 70 and sunny. 2000 Sycamore Street, Cleveland, Ohio, the Greater Cleveland Aquarium. What am I wearing this jacket for? Might as well just take this one off and get in there and get to work.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark.
Grandma shark.
Hi, I am Brenton Naily. I am one of the aquarists here at Greater Cleveland Aquarium, and I kind of assist in taking care of some of the sharks here in our main exhibit.
Hi, I'm Ryan Martino, the better looking half of Martino Motorsports.
Tom Martino, I'm the guy that pays the bills.
It's kind of an incredible experience when we come here to see families, especially kids and infants, get right up to these sharks, and you hear all these news stories on the internet, on TV about how nasty these sharks are with humans. Where do you guys keep the humans you feed these guys?
So that's actually a very common misconception. Sharks do not eat humans, and one of the kind of ways that I like to convey that to people that are afraid of sharks is we look at their teeth. So every animal has teeth that are really well adapted towards their prey item or their food item. And with our sand tigers in here, those are our biggest sharks, and they kind of look big and scary. They've got these big snaggly teeth, and you can see they're really long, skinny, and these are completely adapted towards catching and eating fish. These guys, they don't have any chewing ability. It's just to catch and hold the fish in their mouth. So they kind of have to eat fish that are smaller than their mouth that they can swallow whole. There's no big ripping and tearing kind of teeth on these guys. So a lot of people would be afraid of them, but the sharks see us and they go, it's too big, I can't eat that. Why would I even waste my energy trying to mess with people? So they actually tend to avoid people in the wild.
So you put 2 fingers in here too, and if he wants to come over, he'll come up and climb onto your hand. It's just like a little nibbling. It's almost like somebody was just gently picking off your dead skin cells, really. It's not painful, it's kind of ticklish. Hi guys. Clean your shins right there. There you go. Isn't it ticklish?
Oh yeah. My legs start cut, huh?
Do it.
Good, I'll watch you do it.
Oh, it looks like it's splashed.
I'll watch you, I'll stand there and supervise.
Oh, hi, good morning. I'm sorry, I don't have food for you. It's like when they see this color combination, they know.
All right, so I'm Ray Danner. I'm an exhibit diver here at the Greater Cleveland Aquarium. I've been here for a year, and I get paid to scuba dive in Cleveland, Ohio all winter long with these sharks and stingrays and moray eels, and it's a ton of fun. I love it.
Don't you ever get worried? I mean, these things are 9 foot long, and I hear all these stories about sharks attacking people.
Yeah, because the media loves to play up, the rare examples, but for the most part, everybody, we just coexist perfectly fine. And especially in here, they look like monsters, but they just totally ignore us. They don't have any interest in us. We're right next to them all day long. And we don't smell like food, we don't look like their food. We keep them well fed. We offer them food 3 times a week, so there's really no interest. So we do 4 dives a day right here in the shark exhibit. So
kidding.
we come in the morning. As soon as the aquarium opens, we're cleaning this acrylic right here. We give this a good long scrub, and we see a lot of kids coming through the C-tube, and they're just shocked to see scuba divers, so we give them all high fives and blow bubble rings at them. And they're always amazed with that. And then after that, we do a Sharks and Scuba Talk at 11:15, and then right after lunch again at 1:30. We get a full face mask on, so we can hear questions coming in from the crowd, and we can talk, and we can answer any of their questions. And we always get, kind of like what you said about the sharks. Are we afraid to swim with the sharks, or why are they, not bothering us? And just trying to educate the public that it's not a scary thing, and that people don't have to be freaked out about sharks. It's perfectly safe to swim with them. And it's good to have the knowledge on what to look for, and some of the behavioral patterns, but You know, if I was underwater, it would be exactly like this, and I'll be this far away.
Come up with the guy clean. Look at him clean.
That is so cool.
I hope you enjoyed our experience here at the Greater Cleveland Aquarium. Even if you're not from Northeast Ohio, this is a must-see destination when you're traveling. Us being from Northeast Ohio, it's not very often that we get to experience the salt life. We go 51 weeks a year working, so we get experience 1 week at the ocean, and we change that trip up. But this is somewhere we go 3 or 4 times a year just to get up close and personal with our favorite species of the ocean. So visit GreaterClevelandAquarium.com on more information and travel accommodations, how to find this aquarium, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media at Martino Motorsports and smash that like key.